everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you that how can you connect your Google Drive with Trello. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser and then type trello.com, and after typing trello.com, open up your Trello's workspace. After crashing on your Trello's workspace, you have to open up your Trello's board. Now simply tap on the three dots in the right of your screen and open up your menu. After opening your menu, you have to tap on About the Board, open Power Ups, and in Power Ups you have to tap on the search bar, and after opening it you have to write googledrive.com, and after writing it you will find Google Drive application in the right of your screen, and after watching it you just have to open it and tap on Add. It will be added to your Trello's workspace, and as you can see it's showing on your screen. You'll see in the top you will find the Google Drive option in the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and it will open this page for you. And now you have to show some patience while I'm doing all the processes. Now as you can see on your screen, your Google Drive is ready to connect with your Trello. Now move forward and simply tap on the email which you want to connect with your Trello and let it open. Now you have to allow it. Stamp on allow, and that's how you can connect your Google Drive with your Trello's workspace. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video will help you in any way. Thank you so much for watching the video. It is a pretty simple but a tricky process. You just have to follow all these steps to fulfill the requirements. Thank you for watching the video. By following these steps, you can add your Google Drive with your Trello's workspace. Also comment below what did you want to watch more.